Hey guys, welcome to Create PayPal Donate Link step-by-step tutorial. So if you have any forum that you need or you want well wishers to donate money that will help you in a certain program, or you are a content creator and you are in need of financial support, PayPal donate button will be useful for your needs. So if you want to learn how to create one, stick around and watch this video up to the end. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to have a PayPal account. Of course, you can't start a fundraising program without an account. So, and if you don't have an account, don't worry. You need just to check on my channel right here. I have a video on how you can create a PayPal account. So once you know now how to create an account and you already have one, you can get started with the process of creating a PayPal donate link, right? So the first step is to go to your PayPal account. Then on your accounts dashboard or homepage, just click on this gear icon. It's right here. Then you'll be taken to your account settings. Now on these options below your main account setting tab, you need to click on seller tools. It's right here. Then on your next screen here, under selling online, you will see PayPal buttons. You need to click on manage option on your right. Then different buttons will open up on your screen. Now next, go to donate option and click on it. Then this page here will open up on your screen. So when you scroll down, if you already have a donation page, it will be listed under your donation pages option. It's down here, right? To create a new link, just come up here and click on get a link. Then on your next page here, the process of creating a link will start right away. Now on your left hand panel, it's a setup page. Then on your right hand side is a preview of how your page will look like. So you need to start with step 1. It will start with your display name. So this one will be your PayPal name, and it's unchangeable. You can't edit your PayPal name on this page, right? Next, if you want to display your logo, just click on this button right here to enable it. Go ahead and upload your logo. Next, you can also add an image to a donation page if you want, and this will act as your cover page, right? So just turn on this feature and go ahead and upload your preferred image. Now, and it's optional, by the way. You can as well leave this option blank, right? Then down here on this box, you can add an inspiring message to your donation page. So this will attract more donors. So once you are done with your selection, just click on continue and you'll be sent to step 2. Under customize your donation details, down here you can select your preferred currency you will receive donations in. Just click on this drop down icon and the list of different currencies will come up on your screen. So just go ahead and select your preferred currency. Next, select how do you want donors to give, right? So we have any amount. You can set an exact amount next here, or you can set 3 amount options plus any amount. So next, if you want to give donors the option to increase their donation amount to help offset the cost of fees, you can just leave this option enabled, or you can also turn it off. Next, on let donors make monthly recurring donation, just leave this option turned on. Next, if you have different fundraising program and you want donors to choose where to put their money, just enable this option right here. Then once you are done, just click on continue. Then on the last step right here, under setup your payment page, on the first option, which is to get donors mailing addresses. So if you want this feature turned on, just leave it the way it is. Before you leave this feature turned on, you need to understand the PayPal privacy statement well, right, before enabling this feature. Then next, on let donors send you an optional note with their donation, you can turn this feature on or off, right? Another one here is if you have a website that you would like donors to visit after their donation, you can just put it here. For me, I don't see the need of putting my website, so I just leave this feature turned off. And the next one here, I'll just turn off all of them, right? The last 2. Then once you're done, just click on finish and your donation link will be displayed in the next page here. You can click on copy and paste it wherever you want. So when someone clicks on it, this is how your page will look like. Now it can be on your social media handles or website. So mine is in description and on my channel banner. You can click on it and buy me a coffee in case you found this video useful. So guys, that's how you can create donate link in PayPal. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.